In this video, I'm going to walk you through how product tagging works in Flawless. This is useful when you have one image featuring multiple products and you want customers to instantly see what each product is and add it to cart directly from the image. We'll start by tagging products inside the product list first, then we'll set up product tagging on a website page. Let's jump in. First, go to Inventory, then Open Product List. Select any product to open the product details. Now click the Images tab. On the image row, look for the Tag Products field. If nothing is tagged yet, it will say Nothing tagged. Click directly on that field. A pop-up will appear showing the image. Now click anywhere on the image where you want to place a tag. Select the product you want to assign to that tag. Repeat the same process until you've tagged everything you need. When you're done, click OK to save. Now let's set this up on your website page. Open the left navigation menu. Click Website, then click Pages. Open the page you want to edit. Add a row, then click the column. In the right side Properties panel, set the background type to image, then upload or select the image you want to use for product tagging. And here's a key detail. Uploading the image to the row won't work for this feature. Product tagging only works at the column level because the product tag section only appears in the column properties panel. So the image must be set as the column background. With the column selected, scroll all the way down on the right panel until you see product tags. Open the drop-down and click Configure Product Tags. A pop-up will appear showing the image. Click anywhere on the image to place a tag. Select the product you want to tag. Repeat until everything is tagged, then click OK. Once saved, you'll see a Shop the Look button appear in the top left corner of the image. On the website, when a customer clicks Shop the Look, it opens a pop-up. They'll see tagged dots on the image. Hovering over a dot shows the product name. Clicking the dot opens the product preview where they can add it to cart. This makes it super easy for customers to identify products directly from the image without searching your product list. Before we wrap up, here are the most common issues. If you don't see the product tags option in the right panel, double check that the image was applied to the column background, not the row. And if Shop the Look doesn't appear, go back into Configure Product Tags and confirm you've tagged at least one product, then click OK again. And that's it. That's how product tagging works in the Flawless Website Builder. If you found this helpful, feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.